Hello everybody, welcome to my channel. Today I'm doing a LEGO review of LEGO City Airport Starter Set 60100 from 2016 to 2017. And as you can see, I built this set in a previous video. So there are two trolleys, one for fuel and also one for mail, and there are 4 minifigures in the set. And this will be a nice airmail theme for your LEGO City Airport. Also the helicopters, mailboxes can open up so that you can load the helicopter with the mail. And also you get this beautiful red mailbox. Thank you for watching this video. Please don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel, and please leave a comment in the comment box below, and please share the links to my videos if toy companies want to contact me for future sponsorships. My contact info is in a link in the description box below, and I'll see you in the next video. Thank you. Bye.